Guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about this current situation of Bitcoin. It's the start of the bear market. We're going to see a nice rebound coming in. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, guys. I'm going to post this amazing video today to show you why I'm actually bullish and I'm expecting a relief rally to come very, very soon. Guys, I'm going to show you straight away what happened with Bitcoin, where we are, what are we doing right now. You can see that we had a weekly candle, which was quite awful, let's say. Of course, you can see that we had a nice one, like a nice hammer the week before, and this one basically closed like that. Basically, it's suggesting that in general, with this kind of candle, we should be seeing more consolidation to come in the next few weeks or months before continuing higher. But I can see right now there is the fear. There is a fear that we are done because the crypto strategic reserve was a failure and everybody got scared. $400 million liquidated. Guys, I'm going to give you a very good advice right now, non financial advice, a personal advice. I think you got two options over here. You can either continue to follow the moon boys who's going to tell you that no matter what happened here with crypto, we're going to go to 200,000 because of the stock to flow model, because of the scarcity OTC Bitcoin, because of the strategic reserve. Or maybe you can start to do this. You can start to come on the VIP group and start to learn how you have to trade crypto in a very responsible manner. To become, for example, like Rudy, like other of my traders, Claudia. Let me go on trading results. From here, you can see some of my pro members. You can see Claudia placing 8 out of 8 trades from here, killing the markets, and as well as so many other members. And if you want, of course, Bitcoin in-depth analysis to understand, to give you a statistical advantage of when to buy and sell, and also to understand where you are in the market. So the choice, it's yours. You can either join us, come here, little trailer, see our trading results, and start to learn properly how to invest and trade and educate yourself, or you can either just go here and gamble your money away thinking about the crypto strategic reserve of my ass. So let's talk about this now. I'm going to show you what can be happening now short term for this week, what to expect. It's going to be very important. As you already know, we're going to have the CPI report. CPI is going to be the measurement of inflation coming on the 12th of March. What is going to be the results is going to be really important to determine if with Bitcoin we have bottom or are we going to see more downside to come. Now, I'm going to show you right now, I'm going to go back on my weekly chart and show you what is going to be the expectation. So where to look for, what to do from here. So in my opinion, if the CPI is going to come higher than expectation, which could be happening, this is going to be my level of target. It's going to be around $72,000 to $75,000, and then I could be expecting a nice relief rally, only because Bitcoin is going to basically be completely destroyed. And guys, don't remember that the reason why Bitcoin is going down now is not because of the strategic reserve, not because of Donald Trump, not because of anybody. It's about the economy. People think the economy is fucked. They think about inflation is ramping up again and all the rubbish. It's not true. So inflation is coming down, guys. Look at the trueflation here. Trueflation is the real measurement of inflation. It's falling like a rock. So in the next few months, inflation should be coming down if you're going to follow this this chart, which means that the Fed is going to cut interest rates, which means risk assets are going to go higher. Simple as that. The Fed is going to print, no, probably not print, but stimulate the economy, cutting interest rates, and there is going to be lots of tailwind for the cryptocurrency and the stock market. But right now, I could be expecting that if the CPI is going to come, let's say, higher than expectation, maybe a drop down to here, consolidation, and then big relief rally coming up to $91,000 to $92,000. But if CPI is going to come higher, lower than expectation, it means that the Fed might cut interest rates in March. We could be seeing a nice pump up to here, a little bit of consolidation, and then another pump like that. That's what I'm looking for. And of course, guys, I'm not only looking at this. You can see, like in the VIP, in my vehicle analysis, there's so much more to consider. But that's going to be our initial point. Now, what to expect short term? Very simple. Let me go and open this chart here. So yesterday I was discussing, or 2 days ago, I was discussing about a potential triangle here. And by the way, guys, to those of you who actually asked me about the altcoin analysis, don't you worry, I got your back. I'm going to release all the analysis probably tomorrow. It's going to be like 10 different altcoins I'm going to analyze. So stay tuned, subscribe, guys. Very important, because you're gonna see, what could be happening from here. Very simple, guys. You can see we broke this channel here. I was saying that long above this area, short down to here. We broke this level, it went down. So right now, what I could be expecting probably today before the US market opening could be that we're going to see a retracement up to this area, potentially up to 83 to 84,000. And then what it could be doing, because we had to break this important level of resistance, okay? So we could be seeing another drop down to this area, 74, 75,000, and then finally a nice relief rally coming from here. That could be a possibility. But if, of course, our friend market makers want to be nice, they're probably going to go and reclaim up to this area. If you can close above here, I could see more continuation to come. My bias is going to be for a retrace up to here, another drop, and then finally a little bit more of an upside compared to, let's say, upside from here. That's what I can see. But also remember, as I told you so many times, that's why I'm not even deploying my capital right now. I deploy a little bit when Bitcoin was at 86, 87,000. I'm down with my spot bags that I bought around 5%, which is basically nothing. And right now, I haven't deployed a single dime of a dollar. Why? Because that's the reason why. Because as I told you so many times, as long as we are not going to be able to break this line of resistance, we are not going to go anywhere. That's it. Forget about the bull market. Forget about the 200K Bitcoin and whatever. That's what I can see from here. We have to be able to go like that, close above this area, and then we can continue higher. Otherwise, the trend is down. Let's see. We're gonna continue until we're gonna go to zero. No, just kidding. We're not gonna go to zero, but I really hope you understand my point. That's as long as we cannot we cannot have like a proper macro change, we're gonna continue to go down. That's gonna be the potential scenario. Now let's also have a look at other things like altcoins. Others altcoin as well. Altcoins, in my opinion, they look good. You can see there is already like a bullish divergence playing out from here. You can see the RSI pointing upwards, and this one is going downwards. And again, I'm expecting a relief rally to come, maybe from this week or the week after. Who knows when it's going to be ready? And that's what I'm expecting with altcoins. You can see that we have this previous pennant that we broke down the pennant. What I could be seeing with altcoins, first of all, we have to be able to break this important level of diagonal resistance, which is sitting here. And then if we're going to be able to break it, then I could be seeing altcoins to probably continue to go higher and reaching potentially a fib level of a golden pocket, 0.618. So that could be happening. We're going to go and print another lower low from here, then go up here, break it, go up to this area. And then from this point, again, I cannot stress this one enough. Once you're going to get to this point, then we need to understand if you're going to get a rejection down again and do this, and then finally we can go higher, or we're going to be able to break and to continue higher. Okay, I'm not here to come to tell you we're going to go to the moon, because that's the only way. Unfortunately, I wish even in November, I was expecting altcoins to go way, way higher. Didn't happen. I was wrong about that. But right now, I think we have to change the game in a sense that we have to understand that, okay, we're going to go up to here. Still, the trend is like a downtrend. So as long as we're not going to be able to go above $400 billion, then there is a risk we could be going down again. So be very careful if we're going to have a really friendly. Don't get caught in the tape that now everything is going to explode, because you have to be careful with that. As well as the total free market cap. Let me just go and change a little bit of things here. Again, you can see there is a very important support coming in this area from here. That's a good important support, which is also like in the convergence with this point here. And what we could be seeing from this area, if altcoins, total free is not going to be able to go above this area from here, and then break this important level of diagonal resistance, then the risk is going to be another drop down to this level, and then finally a big relief rally. So I guess it's going to be dependent on the CPI of if the Fed is going to cut interest rates this month or next month. We're going to be seeing this nice relief rally. Even talking about other things, which are making me quite bullish and is making me think we're going to see a nice relief rally. first of all, is going to be, having a look at, for example, I'm going to go on BTC. Don't want to go on Solana. Don't like Solana anymore. Done. Just kidding. You can see that Bitcoin as well. Okay, yeah, we got lots of, I would say, like a little bit of liquidation down to here, but lots of liquidation are sitting around this area. So eventually, market makers are going to go and take away all of this like liquidation. You can see that if you're going to go like on a 3 months on the liquidation heat map, many liquidations sitting from here. So we don't have many down to here, but so many up to this area. So in my opinion, we can call it complacency rally, relief rally, even up to maybe 103 to 104,000 should be coming soon. That's what I can see that with the liquidity sitting right now, and market makers know this very, very well. And also because, you can see that for example, the US 10 years treasury yield, negative correlation with BTC and crypto. When this one goes down, guys, crypto usually tend to go up. Is a leading indicator, and you can see very well right now is going down, which is basically suggesting that the big boys they know something. So the inflation expectation is actually going to go down, not up. So whenever this one trends down, it means that people are expecting the inflation is going to go down. In the recession as well is going to come. So basically, what he's telling me right now, this is going to continue to go down. It's going to force the Fed to cut interest rates, and then you should be seeing the risk assets to go higher, as well as the DXY guy. DXY as well, 103 looks like it's probably going to continue to go down to 95 to 96. It is going to continue to go down. Similar story. We're going to see lots of strength coming in risk assets, crypto, and stocks should definitely follow. And the last one I want to show you, which is very important as well, which in general has a very high correlation with crypto, is the stock market. The stock market hasn't had a sell-off yet. You can see we had a little bit of a drop. S&P could be going down easily down to 5,500, even 5,200, which should correspond to Bitcoin going down to the low 70,000, because I believe that BTC in general tend to correct before the major indexes, as well as altcoins correct first, Bitcoin corrects later, major indexes going to go even later, and there is a huge support at this area around I would say 5,300, 500. So we could be seeing easily something like that, and then to continue higher. Again, I can see lots of people getting very vocal, calling for the bear market. Maybe they're right. I don't know. Maybe they're right. Maybe they're wrong. To me, I like to play levels by level. I still believe that we are, into a corrective phase, and we're going to see one final wave coming for this bull market, and then we should be seeing like a catastrophic event, bear market coming later on. So far for now. Thank you very much for watching it. If you have any question, leave a comment down below. But otherwise, I'm going to see you tomorrow for another video. Take care and see you soon.